Hey everyone, so this is the haircut we're working on today. I know you may have seen this a million times before, but to me, this is probably the most popular soccer or football haircut ever. And let me know your opinion. So again, this is obviously a fully disconnected undercut. It's one of those haircuts that is never going to go away. If I saw someone walking down the street wearing this, I'd be like, oh, it's a classic. So here, as you can see, there's quite some length throughout the front. The key to this haircut is you have to make sure that if you're getting this haircut, you see how I'm cutting this on an angle going shorter all the way to longer in the front. If you don't do this and the front ends up getting cut way too short, then the hair is not going to be able to go back. You always have to have the front the longest point. And I'm going relatively short back here because it's kind of more of like a comb over type disconnected haircut. Now, don't skip out on layering. Make sure, even though you're getting an undercut or disconnected haircut, you have to make sure that you are getting your hair layered on top. And I'm glad that many of you are finally starting to realize how important layers are just to keep a balanced shape and a balanced haircut. And that's what I'm doing here is I'm balancing out the entire thing by creating some layers. Now I'm blow drying it. The ideal product for this is Power Cream, because we're looking for that extreme hold, and that's what Power Cream is going to do. Just make sure that you get through the hair relatively quickly, because once it starts to dry and set in the hair, it's like a set it and forget it, bulletproof hold. This is the finished product, as you can see. Again, kind of classic haircut. Some of you may be like, oh, this is ridiculous, it's outdated, but this is probably one of the most popular soccer haircuts ever, and definitely a classic. Don't forget, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.